much time. There's only one way to stop this. You need to find the projector before Bendy finds you.
Bacon soup is easy once you have the know-how. Sharp knives and a big pot and a means to blend are all you need. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. You can also follow Video Game Meals on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can even go one step further and contribute to the Patreon page for as little as $1, which helps the channel and gives you exclusive items. Now let's get started. First of all, fill and boil a kettle or a pan for the chicken stock. Meanwhile, cut the bacon up into small bite-sized cubes. Grab the cooking pot you'll be using and put it over medium-high heat with a generous splash of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the bacon and cook it until it's crispy. While the bacon cooks, you'll have enough time to peel the carrots and potatoes. As soon as the bacon is crispy, remove it from the pan using a slotted spoon. This way, you'll keep some of the oil in the pan, which has some essential flavor. Now start cutting the vegetables. Peel and finely slice the onion. Cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. The smaller it is, the quicker it'll cook. Cut the potatoes into similar sized pieces to the carrot. Give the potatoes a quick rinse under cold water to remove any extra starch. This is important, otherwise your soup will be thick and gloopy instead of smooth. Once the kettle has boiled, pour it into a jug and dissolve the chicken stock. Now we can start cooking. Turn the pan on medium heat and add the onion, garlic, and a touch of salt. Cook for about 3 minutes or until the onion starts to soften. Next, add the mixed herbs and paprika and cook for 1 minute. Now start adding the potatoes, carrots, and half of the bacon. Stir everything and then add the chicken stock. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the vegetables are soft, turn off the heat and start getting ready to blend. If you were blending it in parts, then a suggestion is to transfer it into a jug beforehand or into a different pan once smooth. You can either use a hand blender or a fruit processor. Blend it until smooth and place it back into the pan. Once it's all blended, mix in the remainder of the bacon and it's ready to serve. Hopefully it's good enough for Boris. Oh, and don't forget, stay away from the ink.
Hello? Someone there? I know you're in here. Come out and show yourself. Boris?
Thanks for watching. Check out all the other great videos by Video Game Meals, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.